Hello friends and welcome to Dipansh video time. Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a pen animation in Scratch. What's so fascinating thing about it is that there are many types of pen games. Like there are pen farmers and pen drawing games. And today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a pen animation. So the game will go like this. So there will be a nice whirl at the corner, and then as it goes and goes and goes, the pen which is drawing everything will just be going like this in the middle, and there will be more coming out in the middle like that. So let's start making this. Create a new project. So let's just create a project and then see that it has created our project. Firstly, I will take out the first costume of the cat sprite and then make it blank. So make your whole stage blank, or you can just paint and then cut out the first one so there's a blank. Next, go to the bottom left of your screen and you'll see two blocks and a star. Click it because it is called add extension. And our pen is one of the extension, as you can see in the screen. Click the pen and then you have brand new blocks. So take out the when flag clicks, I'll erase all. What will the erase all do? The erase all will erase everything made by the pen. Okay. Next, I will take out the forever, and in this forever, I will take out a create clone of myself. So create clone of myself, plus I will change my sprite by 901 degrees. So turn clockwise by 901 degrees. When I start as a clone. So when I start as a clone, I will firstly put my pen to the color of dark blue. For now, I'll just put the dark blue for the testing, and then if I'm ready, I can put it red. Next, I'll put a pen down. This will start our pen to draw. Next is repeat 100 times. I will first move one step. So just move one step. Now let's see what will happen. So you like this animation? Good, because now we're gonna just change it a little. Next, we will add a change pen color by 1, and then also change pen saturation by 1. So this will then make something like this. Cool, very cool, right? And then if you want this to be more better, just duplicate these two and then put it to brightness and transparency. Now let's see what happens. So now I see it turns very dark, and as it goes and goes and goes, it fades away. Looks very nice, right? Now let's just go and create our backdrop. I'll just make my backdrop black for a nice one. So just put it black. That. Next, I will go back here and take out the change pen brightness and the change pen transparency along with the change pen saturation. Next, I will set pen color to red. After this, I will in the end put a delete this clone. That is the main. Now as you can see, you have created your own pen animation. Looks very cool, right? Now, if you want more tutorials like this, subscribe my channel. Until next time, scratch on, scratchers! As you have seen, you have made your own pen animation, as I call it. And as you see, it makes a very nice circle at the end. I can also make this go to a position. Like if I do it and make this, first go to an X of, let me check first now. Let me just take out a basketball. sprite and then check where x328 and y negative 1. So x228 and y negative 91, but as you can see, this will do another nice effect, as you can see over here. So you can just take out some more go-to blocks and have very fun coding this. And till next time, my free scratcher, scratch on. Dipansh video time out. Bye. See you in the next tutorial. Dipansh video time out. That's it.